What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and in today's video I want to show you 7 websites to make $100 per day in 2018. So top of my computer, I'm going to show you right now those 7 websites and how you can start making money right now. So before I jump into these 7 different websites, I want you to do one thing for me. Go and click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell. This not only subscribes you to my channel, but now you will get every single video that I release from now on. So you won't miss any more videos and you'll be able to start making more money. So the first one is called iWriter. You can see it right here. You can see it right here. Go to iWriter.com. You guessed it, you'll be writing articles. Now, how much do they pay? You're not going to become a millionaire by writing articles, okay? Don't get me wrong. You can make some great money. Are you going to be a millionaire? Probably not. Now, let me show you something. Let's say you're going to write a basic article. If you are a standard writer, there's 4 different levels. Okay, standard, that means you're okay. Premium means you're better than good. Elite means you are a very good writer, and Elite Plus means you have impeccable work. Okay, so most people are going to be right here at premium. That means you're going to get paid. This is not $3. This is what they charge somebody to actually have an article written for them. You get paid, I think it's like $2. Okay, you get paid $2, $2.50, something like that, for you to write 150 words. That is very easy to do. I write about a little bit over 100 words per minute, so what that means is I get paid about $2 per minute, or actually about $1.50 per minute, something like that. Okay, which is pretty good. So $1.50 per minute. If I wrote for 60 minutes, I would make $90. Pretty good, right? An elite writer. Okay, again, 150 words. You're getting paid, I think it's like right about $3.70 to $4. I don't know the exact number. And then for Elite Plus, I believe it's $10, or roughly $10. So they're taking a $3 fee for that. Okay, no big deal, but you can make some great money. If you like to write, iWriter is a great option. Also, I'll put a link to my kind of course, guide, book, whatever you want to call it. Okay, it's $40. It shows you how to become a freelance writer and really take it to a more passive income lifestyle. And you can start making $10,000 plus in passive income actually doing writing. Here's another thing. It's called Etsy. Now, what most people look at or think about Etsy is you're selling stuff you made, right? Well, yeah, obviously. Now, here's what most people don't know is Etsy, they have a bunch of different things. Most people think it is, okay, I'm gonna whittle this thing out of wood. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Make this little campfire thing. Okay, cool. Or I'm gonna, there's a Father's Day gift. Here's something I didn't know, and my friend actually does this. Okay, she does very well with this, and she makes piñatas and sells them on Etsy. Shipping is insane, but they're easy to do. Something simple like this, okay, where you put a picture on it. This would take a little bit more time, but she has a process, and she does this for a bunch of people. This was actually kind of cool, this little Nerf one right here. But you can make all sorts of different piñatas for birthdays, for, there's a llama piñata, Minecraft, campfire, Nerf one. There's birthdays, there's weddings, there's all sorts of different things you can do a piñata for, okay? So this is just what she does. Hopefully I didn't give away her niche, but I think she'll be okay. But this is something that you can do, okay? Don't go after piñatas, but go after something else, like, create some different toys, okay? An iPhone case, okay? Whatever you want to do. If you are good with your hands, you are creative in some way, Etsy might be for you. Maybe you're not creative. Maybe all you like to do is do work for other people. Maybe you want to create, let's do logo. Maybe you're good at logo design, okay? You're good with Photoshop. You think you can make just the best logos out there. If you can, first, come talk to me. Put a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know. I am looking for a new logo. This is the one I currently have, and I'm currently looking for a new one. Anyway, so let's say you have a new logo, or you can do logos. This one looks pretty cool. Little guy, thumbs up, logo, all right. Maybe you can do that. Okay, you can sell them for $25 a piece. That means you need to do 4 to make $100 per day. Pretty simple, right? Yeah. There's another site called Conquer. Okay, maybe you're not good at doing logos. Maybe you want to do video editing. Okay, maybe you're gonna do that. This is more for people that have some type of, background, stuff like that. Maybe they're going to do GoPro editing. Maybe they do drone shots. Let's see if they have anything for drones. Not really. Okay, maybe you're just going to do some marketing. But this is another website in addition to Fiverr.com. It's called Conquer.io. And it's a great little site. There's not a whole lot of stuff here. Okay, this is not as big as Fiverr, but it's a great option. Okay, you can use both, either one. If you want to really get out there and make the most money, I'd recommend Fiverr because they're going to have more people that go to their site. Here's another site. You've probably seen this before. Obviously, if you have, hit that thumbs up button. If you've ever used this website right here, hit that thumbs up button. Okay, anyway, but what you do here, don't create videos. Okay, you can create videos and you can make $100 a day and you can eventually get there. Is it going to happen in the first day? No. Is it going to happen in the first week? No. Is it going to happen in the first month? Probably not. But will you eventually get there? Yes, you will. Here's something that I recommend. Go and find some channels like this one. Okay, Shopify for Dummies. Okay, pretty cool. What is Shopify? There's this one, Neil Patel. Okay, not bad. Kevin David, great thumbnail. What I'm getting at is don't go and try to create videos. Go and contact the people that run the channels. Now, don't go and contact me. I know my thumbnails aren't the best, okay, but don't go and contact me because I'm probably not going to use you. But I've had a bunch of people do this, and this is why I'm putting it out there, is people will actually go and send messages. Okay, so let's say you go and you want to contact Kevin David. Okay, that thumbnail is actually pretty good. I like it. Anyway, you go and contact Kevin David. Say, hey, for $10 a pop, I will create a new logo or create a new thumbnail for one of your videos. Or if you want to, do 15 thumbnails, I'll do that for $100. Okay, and so all you need to do to make $100 a day is go and get 30 different people to say, okay, yeah, take 10 of my videos, create a new thumbnail for each one, and I'll pay, or 15 of those videos, and I'll pay you $100 for 15 thumbnails. It's a really quick way to make $100, especially if you're good with thumbnails and you can create some unique different designs. Okay, do something like this, something like this, just different things. You really come out and create something new. Okay, some of these things that Will Smith does, there's a whole bunch of options. Here's another site if you like to write. Okay, if you don't like to write, TextBroker is not the site for you. I started using them probably about 10 years ago, and I really like using them. Okay, they work very well, paid me extremely well. Let's go and look how much you get paid. So, and there again, 4 different quality ratings. So these ones can be, you make some mistakes, or quite a few mistakes, so they'll pay you 7 cents per word that you write. If you write a 100-word article, they're going to pay you 70 cents. If you're a decent writer, you're not the best, you make some mistakes, but not a lot, they'll pay you 1 cent per word. So, and this is paid every single Friday. Okay, I believe it's every Friday, Thursday or Friday, something like that. They pay you every single Friday through PayPal. Okay, so yes, this is going to be for TextBroker. It is going to be for U.S. and Canada writers only, even in Mexico, because you do need a PayPal account to get paid. Okay, if you're a very good writer, but not the best, you don't make a lot of mistakes or barely any mistakes. However, you have some grammatical errors, things like sentence structure, stuff like that, run on sentences, then they'll pay you 1.4 cents per word. So for every 100-word article you write, you get paid $1.40. If you write a 10 or a 1,000-word article, you get paid $14. Okay, pretty good, right? Yeah. And then obviously 5 cents a word. You have perfect grammar, everything. It all works out great. Okay, right there. PayPal account once a week, and you have to have more than $10 in your account. Pretty cool. Okay, and the last one. Here's something that I want you to understand, because I think most people don't realize Amazon has this. This is Amazon Services. You can see it right here. Services.amazon.com, selling services. Here's what I want you to understand. I'm not saying go out there and create a business and go do whatever, a treadmill assembly. I'm not saying do that. What I'm saying is go and contact people in your area and let them know, hey, for $50, I will sign you up on Amazon Services. to do certain services and show you how to use it, or $100 or whatever. You can price that whatever you want. But the way this works is, okay, let's say, where's design? So somebody buys a sink right here. Okay, they bought this faucet off of Amazon. What Amazon's going to do is then they're going to say, okay, customer just purchased a sink, so now would you like it installed? Okay, and so they can, add the pricing to that order. They'll pay through Amazon. Amazon will then pay you. However, you do have to pay, if it's under $1,000, you have to pay 20% of a fee to Amazon. Okay, so you pay $200 to Amazon and you keep $800. But that's a customer you would have never found, never have received, but you've only got because they bought that product on Amazon.com. That is something that is huge, because all you have to do, go and find these different, subcontractors, contractors, people that are looking for some work, and get them to pay you to put them on Amazon. One thing you gotta understand, let's see, where's that? Right here. What are the requirements? They need a licensing for the trade professions, and they also need general liability insurance. Okay, so if they're gonna put in some type of faucet, something like that, they would need to be a licensed plumber. In most cases, it is the easiest, in my opinion. I've done this three or four times maybe. I don't remember. It doesn't matter. Anyway, okay, I think it's been 4 times, and each time I've got a general contractor, because a general contractor can do quite a bit. Now, they can't do electrical, they can't do HVAC, plumbing, stuff like that, okay, but they can do quite a bit. Okay, for example, let's say, I think they have different samples down here. Hanging a TV, setting up a bed, okay, doing the whole treadmill assembly, moving into a house cleaning, okay, stuff like that. If they buy something big, such as one of the things that I've actually sold washers and dryers before on Amazon. So something like that. Who's gonna take that washer and take it down to the basement? That's probably gonna need to be a moving company, or Amazon can actually promote your services, and you can come over, because it's all gonna be local. You can come over and you can help them get it down into their basement. Something like that. Okay, very simple. Something as easy as putting together a patio set, a swing. Okay, whatever it is. There's so many different things you can do, and you can tell people there's a lot of things you can do, and I'm going to show you how to get it all set up. I'm going to do it for you, and it's only going to cost you $50, one-time fee. Okay, that's it. That's the best part about Amazon selling services. Okay, so that's really all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. And like I said, if you want more ways to make money online, you want to become a better entrepreneur, and you want to live the best lifestyle possible, make sure you click that subscribe button down below, and also click that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. So again, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.